All right, I wanted to do this video to show you how to play Rugs and Fences in case you are not familiar with this game. So when you go to McGraw-Hill, you're going to log on and then you're going to pick the Everyday Math Games. You'll come to this screen right here. You're going to be on the single player and at the bottom is Rugs and Fences. So go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, it'll pop up here. Click it again, and then it's going to give you some directions right here. It says the skill is finding the area and perimeter of rectangles, which is what we're working on in class. The description says players try to earn more points than their opponent, that's the person they're playing against, by calculating areas and perimeters of rectangles. During each round, one player calculates either the area or the perimeter of the displayed rectangle. Then the other player is going to calculate the other value, either the area or the perimeter, whichever one their opponent didn't do. Correct values are then added to their player's score, and then the player with a higher score after 6 rounds wins the game. So you have to know how to do perimeter, which remember is adding up the distance around all of the sides, and you have to know how to do area, which is multiplying the length and the width. And so when you do that in your head, kind of you have to figure out which one is going to be a better score for you, and you want to try to pick that one so that you get the higher score. So go ahead and click start, and I'll show you just one round right here. So I'll pick pink, and my opponent's going to pick blue. You pick for them for player 2, and then you click play.
Let's play Rugs and Fences.
Okay.
Here we go. Player 1, enter the area or perimeter of the polygon.
Okay, so the polygon is this rectangle right here, and I have to think to myself, well, if the area is length times width, that's going to be 12, but I know that a 6 plus a 6 over here is already 12, plus 2 is 14, 16, and so I would opt, in this case, to do the perimeter, because it's going to give more. Let's see. Did I enter the 14, and then I click perimeter because that's the one that I calculated.
That's not the correct perimeter. Now the computer will enter the area or perimeter of the polygon.
I had said 16.
Here is the correct area.
Oh, they did the wrong one.
Now the computer will enter the area or perimeter of the polygon.
So they chose to do
Player 1,
the area.
Enter the perimeter.
So I'm doing the perimeter on this one. So on the first one, I had messed up. Even though I said 16, I typed in 14, and so that was incorrect. So that's why I didn't get a score. But then the computer messed it up, so they also didn't get a score. So now I know that I'm doing perimeter. 12 plus the opposite side 12 is 24. And then plus 9 over here is 33. Plus another 9 over here is 42. So I'm going to enter 42, and I solved for the perimeter. I got that correct this time because I entered what I said, and I got 42 points.
Or perimeter of the polygon.
So you're just going to keep doing this. So if I do area, I know 8 times 4 is 32, but I also know that I could do 8 plus 4 is 12, plus another 12 is 24 for the other two sides. So it would be better for me in this case to do my area of 32. So I click 32, and I type in area because that's what I solved. And so you'll just continue playing like this until the 6 rounds are done, and then you'll determine your winner that way.
Now the computer will enter the area or perimeter of the polygon.